There. Hi. Say hi to your fans and subscribers.
Hi. We're in the mall. And we're looking for the tea. I will show you.
We're looking for
New things for
furnitures. Hi fans. We are currently at Mandaue Foam Cainta.
And we're on our way to SM.
And they are... There's a
Beautiful.
sale. 30% off.
And they're super beautiful. It's not old as our old one. We can buy all of the new furnitures. All of them.
We can't. We don't have money. Are you gonna give me money?
So 100,000 money.
Bye.
Bye guys.